Hello and welcome back to SEO Science, where we dive deep into the world of digital marketing. Today we have a hot topic for you: how to rank #1 on Google in record time. In this video, we're going to reveal a step-by-step guide to help you achieve that coveted #1 spot on Google faster than you ever thought would be possible. So let's jump right in. Step 1. Understand Google's ranking factors. To rank first in Google, you need to understand what Google values. Relevance and authority are key factors. Google wants to provide the most relevant and trustworthy results to its users, so your website must align with these principles. Step 2. Keyword research and selection. Keywords are the foundation of SEO. You'll need to find keywords that your target audience are looking for. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, or Ahrefs to identify these keywords. Remember, long-tail keywords can often be less competitive and bring in highly targeted traffic. Step 3. On-page SEO optimization. On-page SEO involves optimizing your website's individual pages. Ensure that your title tags, meta descriptions, and headers include your target keywords. Your content should be high quality, informative, and structured logically. Step 4. Technical SEO improvements. Technical SEO ensures that your website is search engine friendly. Focus on improving site speed, mobile optimization, and ensuring that your website has an SSL certificate. XML sitemaps also help search engines index your pages effectively. Step 5. High quality content creation. Content is king, and Google rewards websites that consistently produce high quality content. Go the extra mile by creating in-depth and engaging articles and videos. Don't forget to update and repurpose your existing content to keep it fresh and relevant. Step 6. Backlink building strategies. Backlinks from authoritative websites are a significant ranking factor. Earn high quality backlinks by creating exceptional content, guest posting on relevant websites, and reaching out to influencers or industry leaders for collaborations. Step 7. Monitoring and iteration. Finally, monitor your progress by using tools like Google Analytics, track key performance indicators, also known as KPIs, and make data-driven improvements to your SEO strategy. Remember, SEO is an ongoing process. And there you have it, our step-by-step guide on how to rank #1 on Google in record time. It won't happen overnight, but with dedication and the right strategies, you can climb those rankings faster than you think. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on our latest SEO tips and tricks. Keep optimizing, keep experimenting, and soon you'll be celebrating the top spot on Google. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next video. If you want our team to help you with your marketing, why not contact our digital marketing agency, absolutemedia.uk. You can get a free consultation and take the first steps into launching your traffic to the next level. All details are in the description below.